Welcome to Boston. Welcome to ISPE Annual Meeting.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of ISPE board and staff, I extend a very warm welcome to all those gathered. We have more than 650 people attending here in Boston face-to-face and another 280 attending virtually. This is going to be a great event. We're honored to kick off our conference this morning with representatives from industry and regulatory agencies around the globe, culminating with a guest speaker to provide a true patient perspective.
I want to welcome you to what is typically one of our most exciting sessions, our regulatory town hall. We have a very awesome panel of regulators this morning.
And we can't forget, a lot of our partners around the world can't come together yet. Some of them still can't leave their homes yet. So we are very fortunate to be here, and thank you guys very much for everything you're doing. And thank you guys again for speaking today.
And all of this is why your work matters. All of the agility and collaboration and innovation that you put forth into your work every day really trickles down to us, and we gain that strength from you, and we have so much gratitude for that. So thank you all.
Well, ISPE is really the pharmaceutical technical knowledge of the industry, and we have the mission of delivering quality medicines to the patients, and what better mission to have.
ISPE gives us a platform and a chance to advance and shape the pharma industry, and who wouldn't want to be part of that?